ADSS suspension clamp, key component for aerial cable installation. An ADSS all-dielectric self-supporting suspension clamp is a crucial hardware fitting in overhead line systems, specifically designed for supporting ADSS optical cables on transmission line poles or towers, constructed with high-quality materials. It typically consists of inner and outer preel twisted wires, rubber inserts, a cast aluminum shell, a right-angle shackle, and a U-type shackle. The inner preel twisted wire directly wraps around the cable, providing protection and stiffness. The rubber insert, made of UV-resistant neoprene, gently secures the ADSS cable, minimizing abrasion. The corrosion-resistant cast aluminum alloy shell ensures good stability, corrosion resistance, and mechanical properties. This clamp effectively reduces the static stress at the support point of the ADSS cable. It can enhance the cable's vibration resistance and buffer the dynamic stress caused by wind vibration. By doing so, it ensures that the bending of the optical cable does not exceed the allowable value, preventing the generation of bending stress and additional fiber loss. Also, it has a strong gripping force, usually reaching 10% to 20% of the cable's rated tensile strength RTS, which ensures the safe operation of the cable under unbalanced loads. In short, the ADSS suspension clamp plays a vital role in ensuring the stable operation and long-term reliability of overhead optical cable lines.